someone you're clearly not. Come on, Al.
Not to worry. That was nothing compared to what these boys were fashioning.
Which boys? You mean us? There's one more thing I've been wondering. What happened to the ex-trainer? Just in case we have any questions to ask.
Oh, his research wasn't making progress anymore.
You don't strike me as the type of guy who lets someone who knows all his secrets walk away clean.
I'm afraid I missed the implication.
I'm saying I don't answer to murder, you got that?
In that case, you're not getting out of here alive. There are plenty of other outfits I could use.
Another schools was got one of those things?
Keep bringing that big poke and that other one. What don't you?
Now he's got you.
Dilim.
Take a video. Why are you taking a video?
Gusto ko ng video. Lumilim.
Well,
Huwag mong takpan.
Well, I do hate to interrupt, but it looked like you needed the help. Nah. We're not going to be chasing our dad's dream anymore. You were right. It's time we live our own lives.